guys, my name is Srijita. Today I'm show you guys how to make a slime. So guys, first ingredient is something to mix in and something to mix with. Means a container or a mixer something. So I'm using this pencil. You using anything. And second ingredient is Fevigum. We want only clear glue, not any Fevicol glue. Means white glue we don't want. We want only Fevigum and any type of clear glue. Guys, second ingredient is our that body lotion, and I'm using Joy Pure aloe vera. So you using any means anything, any body lotion which you have. And my third ingredient is the activator. I'm using BoroPlus, and if you don't have BoroPlus, I don't know that it's work or not work, that ingredients you using, I think that Borolene if you don't have BoroPlus. So guys, let's start it. So guys, let's start it that. So guys, yeah, let's start it. First is I'm put little bit of Fevigum. I don't want lot big slime. I don't want any big slime. I want a small slime. That's the reason I'm take little bit of glue. That much. And if you want to make big slime, so you take your amount of glue which you amount take. And next is I'm add a little bit of which cover my slime. I'm little bit add of that this pure aloe vera body lotion. And guys, let's mix it. So guys, after mixing, it's look like something. If you add pink glue, so it's looking like pink. If you add green glue, so you know guys that this Fevigum have lots of color, yellow and then green and pink also available in another company, but that have. So guys, now we are pour that BoroPlus. So I'm pour little bit. So guys, now I mix it. So guys, see, this slime is activating properly, but if you make that 5 minutes you keep it and then you play with your hands. And you see this slime is looking like activating properly. So guys, I'm poured a little bit of this BoroPlus. You see it. आप देख सकते हो guys, and you see it also. The slime is currently make it's lot too sticky guys, इसलिए That the reason I keep it 10 minutes, because my slime is add lots of activator. That the reason I'm keep it on 10 minutes, guys. If I touch it, so it's not, because if I'm take note in my hand, so it's sticking. So that's the reason I'm take 10 minutes in my freezer. Freezer means you know that. So guys, I'm going to take that. So hey guys, I am put in my freezer for 10 minutes, guys, and guys, let's see what happened in my slime. So let's go. So guys, after 10 minutes you see the difference between that. सो ये पूरी तरह से स्टिकी करना ज़्यादा नहीं किया है, आप यूज़ करते रहोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाएगी. सो गाइस, अब हाथ में लेने के लिए भी एक टेक्निक है. फर्स्ट यू लिटिल बिट टेक दिस बोरो प्लस इन योर हैंड, बिकॉज वो एक्टिवेटर अगर आप हाथ में लगाओगे तो स्टिकी नहीं होगी, लेकिन मैं हाथ में नहीं, ये स्लाइम में लगाऊंगी और फिर मैं हाथ में ले लूँगी ताकि ये देखिएगा इस कितना स्टिकी स्लाइम है. ये मैं हाथ से इसको मिक्स करूँगी. सो गाइस, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है, मेरे चैलेंज में मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम स्लाइम बनाया है. सो आई एम मेकिंग फर्स्ट टाइम स्लाइम इन माई चैलेंज गाइस. प्लीज़ गाइस, ये स्लाइम को आप फिर से यूज़ करना. अगर आप फिर प्लीज़ बनाना है स्लाइम को गाइस. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल और लाइक करना, और इस नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब में प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना. थैंक यू गाइस.